if I want that to all come off there at once together. Bingo! I'm hoping that I can get this up on top. Oh, brother. Oh, careful, Freddie. Let's see, I gotta get a hold of it somewhere. All right. There we go. I don't think that should come flying off there at all. Hope not. Look at this. Some nice bits. This is all gonna have to go in on the side because I don't. Yeah, I forgot. I somehow lost a clip to this. So, all right, big ones first, and the nut. Hey, come on. Hey. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Big dirt. It landed, wait, Freddie. Indeed. So, good chunk of news. And I can tell you this because my wife doesn't watch my videos anymore. She got bored with it. So, I can tell you and she won't know. I got $1 an hour raise at work. So, that's pretty nice. My boss told me, he said, yep, we got $1 an hour raise. I said, another $40 a week.
Hey, you buy every week?
Indeed, every Monday.
All right. Well, I didn't know that it was being done anymore since we've got everything in. Yeah, if I know people are gonna come by, I'll put stuff down.
I work over at MK5 at Amazon.
Gotcha.
And I got a YouTube channel.
Awesome.
So, do you mind being on it?
No.
You don't want to be on it? Oh, everybody's here.
I did.
All right.
Yeah, man. If there's stuff that we have, we'll put it down. I just didn't know that there were people coming around.
Yep. Every Monday.
Fantastic.
Indeed.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
You.
Hey, guys.
So, yeah, he told me $1 an hour more. I said just another $40 a week for the wife to blow. So, like I said, she don't watch the videos, and I'm not telling her anything. Hey, well, there we go. Ah, and there's the garbage man right up the street. Of course, I think I can get out of here before he gets down here. Hopefully. Oh man, look at that. Ah, gee whiz. Gee whiz, beaver. I think. What's this stuff? Oh, look at this brand new Mini Mac portable grills. You know what? Okay. I'm gonna do that. That's not gonna work. Will this work? Yes. I'm gonna throw this up on the seat. Just take the whole thing. Oh, he's turning. Okay. Yeah. So, also, morning. Saturday morning, I had planned on going to the scrapyard, and I didn't. Well, you know what? I'm turning these lights off. I don't know if you. And the reason why I didn't go, when I got done scrapping last Friday, yeah, that'll work. Let's put this down here. One of the pliers, okay. 2 hours after I got done scrapping, it began to rain. And I mean hard rain, a lot of rain. So, that means at like noon, it started raining. Then, when I went to work Friday night, it was still raining. I got done with work Saturday morning, still raining. So I didn't go to the scrapyard Saturday. Well, I don't want the printer. I want the cord if I can get it though. Take that. Yep, I'll take that. And this. If I can get it out. Come on. Oh, brother. What's holding you? Or if it says printer. No, it's not the printer. Some below the printer, maybe. Come on. Wow. That's really jammed in there, folks. There we go. Yep, that's it. Come on. Hey. Couple of unrulies there. Let's do that. There we go. All right. Well, something more. Yep, still got its cord and its plate. I got something going on. Let's see. Yeah. Stabaya. Put it right there. Oh, tip up. Tip up. There you go. One, two, three. Perfect. I can't take all of this, folks. I can only take a couple of pieces. I don't want that heavy pipe. Yeah. Shoot. Yeah. See? Bigger van, bigger plan. Right here. Because it's going to go all the way to the front. Hey, back there. There we go. I don't know. That whole thing looks like it's metal. It is. But how heavy is it? Shoot. I don't want to try it. I came back over to see what fasteners were holding it together and picked it up and it just fell apart. So we'll get this too. Sweet. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, get it. There we go. One of them flew up into the yard, I thought. Or maybe not. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, right over there. It's all steel too. We'll get that. Oh yeah. No leaves. Well, you can come along. All right, you guys can go right there. we go. More. I like it. Yeah, I don't want this, but I want this. Yeah, let's see. Why? Because of this right here. I'm just gonna be happy with what I got and move on. It looks like aluminum. What do we got here? Yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's aluminum. Let's see. Oh, crap. Yeah, if I can get that out of there, I don't want it. Gee, I don't know. Gee. I go with that G word again. G. King size personal file. Personnel file. Wonder if. Nope. Well, those keys are going to be brass. I gotta be careful because I'm short of room. There's not much weight to this. There is weight to this. And that's cement on the bottom. I'll take this, leave the other stuff and the two brass keys. Let's go with my parakeet. I know, you should take everything, but... Oh, burn. Just about bought it. I'm reticent to open that door because... of my microwave stunt yesterday. Or, in this case, earlier in the video. Come on. There we go. Yeah, it's right here, wanting to come out. Boy, I wish there was a stuff's falling out. Come on. Get you. Why don't you go up in there? There we go. Yeah. Jammed up. Wow. Oh, brother. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. So I got a big area to check over that way, so. All right, let's keep looking. Little doggy barking at me. Look at this. Some metal. Let's see, where am I gonna put this though? That's the question. This I could fit in the back here. Let's see. All right, I'll put it around the corner here. There you go. Maybe I can, maybe. Oh, brother. Break this in somewhere. Yep, I'm filling every hole. I don't care. Hell, fuck, I need snack money for work. Oh man, everything is wet this morning, folks. Everything. So, Yeah, it's mostly plastic, but there's a cord. Look at that. That's good. Good stuff right there. Yeah, tomorrow it's supposed, oops, got a car coming. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain. So I will be scrapping in the rain, no doubt about it. Perfect. I only have probably one good spot left to put something in, and yep, I want it. Let's see if I can just get it like so and walk it over. Pipe down, geese. I'm making a video. I'll get over that door. I'm asking for it, folks. That's going nowhere. All right, folks, I have picked off everything I could find and fit. Next up, let's go down the scrapyard. There. Beep, beep, beep. What a mess. Yeah, we'll start with the stuff on top. We'll get this stuff out of the front seat, and then we'll get stuff out of the side and then out of the back. All right. We're just gonna do this all at once if we can. So this is the first time that I'm not editing this process out. This is going to be left in as is. And I will not make this a 3-part video. Let's see. Yeah, gloveless on this one. Come on. What I need are ratchet straps. And I think I could make those work on these somehow. All right, maybe this one instead. All right. Can't forget that. Alright. That's essentially untied, so I'm gonna get that off here now. I'll worry about the bike in the door after that. Other side. Let's see. Come on. what's up with that? Yeah, I did tie the door that way, but you know what? That's ridiculous. Come on. It's a cord, for crying out loud. I just about cut my glove too. Come on. Yeah. You all pay the same. Shoot. Alright. Now that means the door is loose too. But I don't know if I want that to all come off there at once together. Bingo! Perfection. Look at that. And I managed to scratch up the side some more. Yes. Oh boy. Yeah, the slop's over here a little bit. Alright, jeez. Alright, now this should come off easier. Go. And be careful with this too, because there's some Sharpies on this. That, and I can pick that up. Come. Alright. Okay, this can go. And beep, beep, beep. Oh, yeah. All right. That's loose and off. Don't worry about that afterwards. And this. Once again, no gloves. Alright, I don't want to drop my glove in the mud. See, that's another reason why I'd like a big fan. You know what? Hold up. I don't want to play with that rope. I'm just gonna cut it. Wasting time here. And it was free rope anyways out of the junk. So I'll cut it near the knot so I can save as much as possible. There we go. Oh, there.
Oh, yeah, that's in the back. That's in the back.
Yeah, I put magnet to this. It's magnetic stainless, so I'm just gonna let it go. There's more there. Why not? Alright. Saving those. Come on. Yep, I'm gonna save those. You can see before I do this if there's anything. Nope, it's all stuff. Here, I do. So it's not. There we go. Yeah, I'll keep the bucket. Not the aluminum. Right in the head. Yeah, I'm gonna let this go with the cord up. I don't care. That's fine.
Right here.
More aluminum. That's aluminum too. Alright, this. Yeah, I know, there's wires. Okay, the rest of this, except for that. Okay, that'll have to come out last. No, I have not forgotten the aluminum up there. All right. Thank you. Saved me the trouble. So I had a lot to bring out of here. There we go. Yep, more magnetic stainless right there. Oh, it's that damn grill. Part of it. Oh. So I don't like picking this stuff up sometimes. It goes this. soft aluminum. Now let me forget this stuff, folks. Right. Well, that's hooked on. Where are you throwing it in? Because I am. That's it. Right. That one offending piece right here is holding up a whole lot of stuff. Like this. Don't want to come out that way. Oh. There you go. Hell. Oh, come on. That's hooked on that chain. All right, there, come on. Damn it. What the hell? Damn it. That's aluminum. Stuff down there is aluminum. All right, I want to get that copper out of the way because that's holding up stuff too. Right here. Oh. All right, now this should come out. All right, now. I don't want anybody to see this, so I'm pushing this back in. That is not magnetic. That's plain stainless right there. So that's staying. All right. Little junk. More little junk. That's stuck right there. We go. Come on. There we go. Yes. Need you out of here. Okay, there's some more right there. Probably have to go back in through the side. Other than that. That's probably better for some of this stuff. Man, I can't believe that. Why would you leave that?
Probably more to get that off than the...
No. You take a 2-pound sledgehammer. I could take a 2-pound sledgehammer, have it off, and both those off in like 10 seconds. That's copper, man. All right. That thing right there. Yeah, you're in a... Oh, you got you some weight there.
He told me to take it off the truck, that that's 330 a pound, now I gotta put back in the damn truck. Or try,
That piece there?
yeah.
Open her up. Let's get...
To lift that by yourself, man, it's not bad for you people. Just be careful, don't hurt your back, man.
Oh, tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready. Good Lord, God damn. Fuck.
Watch your hands, man.
Yeah.
It's hooked over here. It's hooked over your hand. It's hooked on something. Let's tip it up.
So you're gonna ride around and dump that cast? Yeah.
Sure.
Might as well. Yeah. Here, I'll stand it up.
There you go.
You see your ticket? You never gave it to me. Oh, I might.
There we go. Give a little helping hand. Damn right, that thing's... I bet that's 300 pounds. I'm not worried about that 10. You betcha, sir. Yep. All right. Well, that's it. Let's go weigh in. Oh, stand by. Yo, fuck, I almost forgot. Here's Gene. There it is. So, well, I don't know. I'm either going street scrapping in the morning, or I'm gonna load up a bunch more non-ferrous and come here. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go weigh in. All right, folks. How much did I clear here? 108 beans. 108 beans. Nice money. Today is the wife's birthday. She's 21 again. I mean, 21. won't tell you how old she is. She'd, well, you know what she'd do. Never tell a woman's age. All right. I hope you had a good time today and yesterday. Few pickups here and there. Nothing extraordinary, but I still have that copper that gentleman gave me last week. God bless him. And my steel run today, that's me $108. Got some more money for gas, some more snacks for work. So I'm happy, very happy. I'm inclined because I'm, you know, it's just, I think I'm gonna go street scrapping tomorrow. I know I have all this stuff in here, but I think, in fact, I know what I'm gonna do is just fly home from work, go right to the garage, drop that stuff off, and by the time I'm done with that, it'll be light enough for me to street run. My love to all of you, everybody. Even people that other people don't like. I have love for everyone. Everybody has some decent quality, even if it's that little or as big as the world. Let me tell you a little quick story. Last Friday night, a lady came to the security desk where I work, said somebody stole my wallet. I had 50 bucks in it. I needed for gas in my vehicle. So I said, hang on a second. I gave her $10 out of my wallet. And I told her I would check the footage on camera, see who took her money. Well, it turns out nobody took her money. But she came in last night with a Kringle. Now, if you don't know what a Kringle is like a puff pastry, flat. Oh, it's just damn good. Damn good. It's a baked good, all right? She brought me one of those and my $10 back. And she kissed me on the cheek, which kind of made the old fat guy's face red. She goes, "You're one of the nicest men I ever met in my life. Nobody that I can think of would have did the first thing you did." So, yeah. Somebody said in the last, when I got that copper, now it's time to pay it forward. Well, I paid it forward, and I will be paying it forward more. Trust me. I do every year, basically. Anyways, 3 figures to the Salvation Army around this time of year, every year. Sometimes low 3, sometimes high 3. Depends on how I did for the year. All right. This year, looking pretty good. All right, I've talked enough. Again, I hope you had a good time. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Everybody, have an awesome, awesome day.